If you think posting every day is the key to growing your business on Instagram, you're wasting your time. Yep, I said it. Posting daily without strategy is like shouting in a crowded room. Nobody's listening. Most small business owners are stuck chasing the algorithm and still wondering why sales aren't moving. But here's the real play in 2025. Instagram doesn't reward effort. It rewards clarity, connection, and conversion. This isn't about trends. This is about what actually works right now for real small businesses trying to grow without ads, big budgets, or burnout. If you're tired of watching your content go unnoticed while others seem to win overnight, keep watching, because I'm about to break down the real Instagram game no one's telling you about. A few months back, I launched a side project, a small digital product store. I thought, I know the basics. I'll post consistently, use good captions, throw in some trending audios, and boom, sales. Reality check? Zero traction. I was getting likes, but no clicks. Views, but no customers. And the worst part? I was burning time every single day trying to keep up appearances on Instagram, and it felt like a full-time job for zero return. That's when it hit me. Instagram is not a vending machine. You don't just insert a post and get money back. It's more like your local cafe. People walk in, look around, feel the vibe, maybe chat with you, maybe come back tomorrow. And only when they feel safe, seen, or supported, they buy. That mental shift changed everything for me. I stopped obsessing over aesthetics and started focusing on conversations. I used stories to talk with my audience, not at them. I created posts that solved problems instead of selling products. And slowly, real engagement started showing up. Not just followers, but fans. Not just likes, but leads. So if Instagram has ever felt overwhelming to you, like you're performing instead of connecting, just know, it's not about doing more. It's about doing what actually matters. And now that you see Instagram for what it really is, a digital marketplace filled with people, not just profiles, let me show you how the new Instagram game in 2025 is really being played. Let's be real. If you're still treating Instagram like a photo sharing app, you're already falling behind. Because in 2025, Instagram has officially become a full-blown AI-powered business ecosystem. It's not just about showing up. It's about showing up smart. Here are 3 things that have completely changed the game. 1. The algorithm is now audience-centric, not content-centric. Instagram no longer just pushes your content based on hashtags or timing. Instead, it watches who is interacting with your brand, how long they watch your reel, if they reply to your notes, if they engage in your DMs, and then pushes your future content only to people it believes will care. 2. AI personalization is rewriting reach. Every user's feed is now uniquely curated by Meta's new predictive behavior AI. That means if your content isn't saving someone time, solving something specific, or creating quick trust, it won't get shown. Carousel saves greater than aesthetic photos. Reel replays greater than trending sounds. DM replies greater than random likes. 3. The power isn't in the post anymore. It's in the features. Let's talk tools. Reels are still your reach rocket, but only if they hook within 1 second and provide real value. Broadcast channels are how you build one-way intimacy at scale with updates, offers, and exclusives. Instagram notes now act like mini billboards in the inbox. Smart businesses use them to spark curiosity or offer quick promos. DMs have become the new email list. And if you're not manually or automatically starting convos, you're invisible. The 5-part framework for Instagram growth, Small Business Edition. Let's break this down into 5 moves you can start using today. II positioning. Posting before you post anything, your brand has to make sense in 3 seconds. Is your niche ultra clear? Does your bio say what you solve? Do your highlights feel like a menu or a mess? Your profile is not just your homepage, it's your conversion page. Use one powerful line in your bio that says, I help a specific person get a specific result with your solution. Then back it up with branded story highlights like start here, reviews, offers, and FAQs. All right, content pillars that sell random content equals random results. You need 3 core pillars. 1, story, your journey, behind the scenes, founder POV. 2, proof, testimonials, results, case studies, what my customer said. Is 3, value, tips, how-tos, mindset shifts, quick wins. Now mix in format. Reels for attention, carousels for depth, stories for intimacy, CTAs like DM me start if you're ready for actual conversion. Remember, every post should either start a conversation or spark a conversion. II engagement. Flywheel growth doesn't come from just content. It comes from conversations. Here's how you spark them. Reply to DMs with voice notes or quick Loom videos. Use Instagram notes to drop curiosity bombs. Guess what's launching Friday? And engage in stories using replies, emojis, and polls on other people's accounts. Yes, even your audience. Think of this like digital eye contact. Every little touch point builds trust, and trust equals visibility. IV audience magnet system. Want to grow without paid ads? Use this. Strategic hashtags, niche, Batsfun, intent, community tags, collaborations with other small creators, customers, or micro-influencers. Broadcast channels for building a loyalty story, polls to qualified leads, and get into their DMs naturally. You're not trying to attract everyone. You're pulling in the right people with purpose. 5, AI and tool stack for smarter Instagram marketing. Let's be honest, the game isn't about shouting louder. It's about being strategically silent and systematically smart. Here are tools that feel like cheat codes for small business owners in 2025. Scheduling and automation. Be present without being glued to your phone. Tool, Metricool. Metricool doesn't just schedule. It tells you the best times to post based on your audience, and even shows you how your competitors are performing. Bonus tool, OneUp. For those managing multiple platforms, this AI-backed scheduler optimizes across reels, stories, posts, and even notes. Caption plus content generation save hours of creative block. Tool, ChatGPT with your brand tone prompt. Trained on your past captions and customer DMs, you can create selling captions in under 60 seconds with calls to action, story flow, and hashtag suggestions baked in. Want a pro-level edge? Use tools like Content Drips to mix visuals and AI-generated captions with auto-branding. Analytics and content intelligence. Stop guessing. Start tracking what works. Tool, Metricalytics. New for 2025. It doesn't just show likes or reach. It calculates content ROI, tells you which posts led to DMs, and predicts your best performing formats for next week. This isn't about virality. This is about clarity, consistency, and connection. You don't need 10,000 followers. You need 10 people who trust you enough to buy, book, or refer you. That's the new Instagram game in 2025. Not popularity, profitability, not vanity, value. So stop chasing clout. Start building conversations, trust, and actual demand. You're not too late. You're just one smart system away from being sold out.